student, welcome back again to our online class. Today we start a new chapter, that is subtraction. Okay, that is subtraction, chapter 3. Now come to the page number 118. Page number 118. Look, some examples are there. Okay, some examples are the first one. What we have learned. Okay, look. 8 pencil minus 5 pencil. 8 minus 5. Okay, 8 pencil minus 5 pencil. From 8, if we take out 5 pencil, how much will remain? That one we have to find out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pencil. From there, 5 pencil will take out. Okay, let's cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, 5 pencils are take out from 8 pencil, and how much remain? 1, 2, 3. So 8 pencil minus 5 pencil equal to 3 pencils. Okay. That means minus means will take out. Okay. We'll take out how much is required. Suppose in this question 5 pencil we have to take out from 8. Okay, and always remember, okay, in subtraction, from a greater number a smaller number can minus. Okay, minus and subtract is the same thing. Okay, from 8 we can minus 5, but from 5 we cannot minus 8. Okay, from larger number we can minus a smaller number. Question number 1, subtract. 16 minus 4, how much we have to find out? Okay, 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From 16, how much we have to take out? We have to take out 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count the rest of the number. How much is remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay, in this way also you can do, or otherwise. Okay, otherwise you can write like this: 16 minus 4. 4 means a single number is always in ones place. In 16, 6 is in ones place. So ones place, ones place. We have to write it nicely. Okay. Now from 6 you have to minus 4. From 6 you minus 4. See children. 6. You take out from 6. How much? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much remain? Yes, that is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And there is no number, so we'll put down the same number here. So 16 minus 4 is 12. We can write in this way also. Okay, which one you find is easy, you go on that way. Okay. So one more question. 21 minus 8 equal to how much? Okay, 21 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, from 21, from a larger number, we have to subtract a smaller number. Okay, from 21, you minus 8. How much we get? So let's take out 8 from 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count rest of the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 21 minus 18 is 13. Okay, so remaining question 12 minus 19, 21 minus 20 minus 9, 18 minus 5, 14 minus 11, which you have to practice at home. And one more thing, okay? 2. Subtract. A 40 minus 20 equal to how much? This is a large number. The 40 is a very large number. Okay, to draw something in number of 40, it will take time. So how to do this one? Okay, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is always 0. Okay, 22 minus 0 will get 22. Any number is subtracted by 0 will get the same number. Okay, 12 minus 0 will get 12. 74 minus 0 will get 74. Okay, but one more thing is there. When same number is subtracted from each other, will get 0. Suppose 2 minus 2 will get 0. 9 minus 9 will get 0. 100 minus 100 will get 0. That means when same number is subtracted from each other, will get 0. Okay. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Let us write this one. Arrange this number according to their place value. 40. 0 is in ones place. 4 is in tens place. Now 20. 0 minus 0 will get 0. Now from 4 you have to minus 2. Okay. From 4 you have to minus 2. Look, 4, just take out 2. 1, 2. How much remain? 2. 20. That means 40 minus 20 will get 20. Okay. 3 minus 50 equal to how much? Look, 70 ones place and t is tens place. Once tens you know place value, so 50, 0 will be here and 5 will be here. And I told you that 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 5. From 7 we have to take out 5. Okay. From 7, when you take out 5, you will get 2. Okay. Just see 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how much remain? 2. So 20. That means 70 minus 50 is 20. Okay. Remaining question, still 4 questions are remaining. Then one you have to practice at home. Okay. 26 minus 5. Okay. Ones, tens. Okay. Now 6 minus 5, how much? From 6 you take out 5. From 6, if you take out 5, only 1 is remainder. Nah? So 1 is remain. So right here 1 and there is no number, so we'll put down 2. So 26 minus 5 is 21. 21 is the difference of this two number. Okay. 69. 69 minus 7. Ones and tens. So from 9 you minus 7. Okay. From 9 you take out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much remain? 2. Okay. 9 minus 7 also 2. And 6 minus there is nothing, so we'll write down here 6. Okay. It's very easy. 69 minus 7 we got 62. Okay, remaining these 4 questions 1, 2, 3, 4, which you have to practice at home. Okay, 121. Question number 1. Subtract. Look, 75 minus 43. O means ones, T means tens. Okay. 5 minus 4. How much? From 5, just take out 4. And how much you get? You have to write here. Okay. 5 minus 4. From here you can cancel 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much remain? That is 1. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, how much you get? 4. Okay. If you are finding difficult, you can do in this way also. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much to take out? 4 numbers. So cancel 1, 2, 3, 4. Remainder is 1. So right here 1. 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How much remain? 4. So difference is 41. 75 minus 34. Difference how much we got? 41. Okay. But this one you have to do just corner of your notebook, not here. Okay. Otherwise it looks very dirty. So this one you have to do in just corner of your notebook. So this is question number A. Question number B. 87 minus 35. Okay. Ones, tens. Now from 7 you have to minus 5. Okay. From 7 you minus 5. Again just corner of your notebook. Draw this line. How many? You have to draw line. First is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there you have to take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much remain? 2. Then we'll write here 2. 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3. Cancel 3. 1, 2, 3. How much remain? 5. So 87 minus 35. Difference we have 52. Okay. In this way, remaining all the question you have to practice at home. Okay. Now you come to page number 122. 22. First question. Regroup. Okay. Regroup. Question 1. Regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 110. 110 plus 5 ones. Look, that means 110 means 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110 means 10. 210 means 20. 310 means 30. 410 means 40. Once is once, no problem. Okay. 110 means 10. 210 means 20. 310 means 30. We have to regroup this one. Now equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that means 110 plus 5 was equal to 15 ones. 15 ones. Okay, in this way you have to solve the next question. Okay, one more question is left now. This one downward you have to practice. Okay, 710 plus 0. 710 means 70. 70 plus 0 is how much? 70 only. Any number is plus by 0, we will get the same number. So 710 plus 0 equal to dash 10 plus dash ones. 710 means 70. Now you come to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. 110 plus 8 ones equal to dash ones. 110 plus 8 ones. That means 10 plus 8. How much we get? 18. So right here 18 ones. Okay. 2 tens. 2 tens plus 7 ones equal to dash 10 plus 17 ones. Okay. See, 2 tens means 20. 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7, 27. So 17 is already given. 17 ones is given. We write here 110. Okay. 110 plus 17 ones equal to 27. Okay. Remaining two questions. 2 tens plus 0 equal to the one, and 6 10 plus 3 ones, the one you have to practice at home. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.